let's make this simple, fluffy, soft butter vanilla cake. We'll be making use of 5 cups of flour. Pay attention to the measurements. You can reduce it or double it. Add 5 teaspoons of baking powder to the 5 cups of flour. Half teaspoon of salt. Mix them together and set aside. In another bowl, go in with 500 grams of butter with 2.5 cups of sugar. That means for each 100 grams of butter, it's a half cup of sugar. Then cream until it turns white or fluffy, okay? So you can just cream for about 5 to 10 minutes and it's done. Then start adding your eggs bit by bit, and we'll be making use of 10 eggs. I'll be adding it 2 at a time. After that, we move on to adding other ingredients. Keep watching and see how it turns out. My shout out goes to all my new subscribers and to all who like and share our recipes. We can see you. Please remain connected as we share more interesting recipes. So we move on to adding 3 teaspoons of vanilla flavor. In a nutshell, it could be like half teaspoon for each 100 grams of butter, okay? So after mixing the wet ingredients, start adding the flour bit by bit and mix in a cut and fold motion. Just keep watching and see how it's done. Don't overmix your cake, because when you overmix your cake, it can harden up and it can collapse in the middle while baking. So keep up with the cut and fold motion until you finish adding all the dry ingredients. After mixing, add 3 tablespoons of vinegar. This will help the cake to become lighter and softer. Then, to soften the batter more, you can add a cup of milk, which is optional. If you want the cake to last longer, you don't add milk. But if it's something you can use immediately or finish within a short time, you can add milk. So after mixing, you transfer your batter into a baking pan lined with baking paper and bake in a preheated oven for about 40 to 50 minutes. So the secret of baking is this. First, bake at 180 degrees Celsius for the first 20 minutes and reduce the heat to 160 degrees Celsius for the remaining 20 minutes to 30 minutes, and your cake is done. You see how the cake turns out? Very fluffy, very soft and creamy, melts in the mouth and enjoyable. So enjoy and stay tuned. Please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe to our page for more interesting recipes, and see you in our next video. Bye.